How to set the navigation bar to buttons or swipe gestures on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on display. After that, we scroll down and tap on navigation bar. At the top here, if you would like to use swipe gestures, you would select that, and this will allow you to use the swipe gestures. And if you like to use buttons, you can also press on that, and this will give you a buttons navigation bar. So select your choice. If you select buttons, you can tap on more options and choose the button order. And if you choose swipe gestures and tap on more options, you will have a different options for swipe gestures. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.